girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my mind, yeah. Oh my, yeah. You know how it feels. You know how it feels. Oh my, pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable till it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You tryna come back when you face. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna give me a stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over all this. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same as being love. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. A little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me, play me. Low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a nigga, but it's way less wavy. How you even imagine to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you famous. I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. All again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Banging on the corner, big my tank till it pops. I thought I was a goner, legs to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I'm made it as a lotto. Call her baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. All in it, you be on my back like a cardigan. All again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jay, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same, to please and entertain.
the Tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary, and I haven't worked with them in a little while, but today I wanted to review this amazing 360 unit for you guys because this one is just a little bit different from like any other 360 unit that I've ever tried or reviewed or anything like that. And if you're not familiar with what a 360 unit is, basically it just means that it's a unit that has lace around the entire circumference of the unit, and you can wear it in a lot of different styles. You can wear it in a ponytail, 2 ponytails, you name it, you can do it with this type of unit. The great thing about this one is that it does have a lot of parting space, which I really do appreciate. But this one has like these new invisible straps that are in the inside, and it also has the adjustable elastic band in the inside, and then it has the adjustable straps in the back as well, along with multiple combs. So it's very secure. You can hook the combs in pretty much anywhere in the unit and you're good to go. But this is a 26-inch unit from them. I believe that this is like a deep wave texture. Really do like this one. It's very full, as you guys can see, and it's just very full, very beautiful. Absolutely love it. And it's still lightweight, which I like, and it's not like overwhelming, because sometimes when you have units like this, it can just be like super high, just like a lot, you know. It makes you want to like put it up in a ponytail, but with this you can wear it down, you can wear it in a ponytail. But today I just decided to leave it like, you know, pretty free, and I just did like a flip over, and then I just did like these really detailed baby hairs all the way around. But the best thing about this unit is the fact that everything is just like done for you already. The lace is cut on this unit. It came with bleach knots, as I'm sure you guys saw. It was pre-plucked as well, and like I said, just completely ready to go. I didn't even have to do much as far as like lining it up to my natural hairline, so I like that about it as well. But you don't have to do a lot with this unit. It's more of a free-for-all type of look, and like I said, you can put it up in a ponytail if it does get too overwhelming for you. I don't have any hair ties at the moment, so that's the only reason why I didn't put mine up in a ponytail, but I would have preferred to do a ponytail, especially because this is a 360 unit. Earlier I did show you guys like the parting space, but I am going to come up just a little bit closer so you guys can get a better look at it. So here is a nice up close look at this unit. I really like how the lace melted. You don't have to add all these baby hairs if you don't want to, but I just wanted to add a little something extra to it. But yeah, I love the way that the lace melted nonetheless. And then this is what we have going here. These are the edges that I created today, and I really think I snapped. Okay, I definitely snapped, and pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything. Like they literally did everything you can possibly think of to do. So like I said, this is a very quick and easy unit to put on. Shout out to Ashimary for sending over this unit because I love their hair. Like honestly, they have some of the best hair, and I really like their curly units, and I like all the free goodies that I got today. I got so many amazing things, from a melting band, they give you a wig cap, they give you a razor. Like I got a brand new razor, which I actually needed because my other one is starting to get a little bit dull. So like the fact that they gave me that, they gave me a new robe. Y'all know me, I'm infamous for wearing like my silk robes. Like I have to wear a silk robe in any install. Like since I started doing installs way back in like at least like 2016, 2017, I was wearing the silk robe. So I like the fact that they put those in the packaging, and I'm gonna say I'm the reason why they did that. I don't care what nobody say. I'm gonna say I'm the reason why. Like, it's delusional. But look, this looks really cute down the center, and even though it doesn't have a part, like this is still really bomb. Like, hello, yeah, it's giving. And if the wind blows, it's just like more bombness. I absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested in this unit and you want to check it out yourself, definitely click on that link down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Once again, I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Ashimaryhair, for sponsoring today's video. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.